Hello friends, welcome to MySQL video tutorials series. From this video tutorial onwards, for the next few video tutorials, I would like to discuss data types in MySQL. In the previous video tutorial, we understood how do we create simple tables in MySQL. We know that while defining a column in a table, we must mention data type of the column. What a data type indicates? Data type basically indicates which type of data and range of values a column can hold. Data type indicates which type of data a column can hold and range of values possible to store inside a column, guys. Data types in MySQL are mainly divided into three types. They are string, numeric and date time. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss string types. String types allow us to store and process textual data, guys. Let's understand string types one by one. First we have CHAR data type. CHAR data type indicates a fixed length string that is always right padded with spaces to the specified length. CHAR data type allows us to store and process a fixed length string, guys, that is always right padded with spaces to the specified length, where M indicates length, that is maximum number of characters a column can hold. For example, if you define a column with char data type and length 5, that means that column can hold a string containing 5 characters, guys. That column can hold string containing 5 characters. What happens if you try to insert a string containing 2 characters? That string is prefixed with 3 spaces so that it matches to the specified length 5 and then inserted into the column, guys. What happens if you try to insert a string containing 3 characters? That string is actually prefixed with 2 spaces so that it matches to the specified length 5 and then inserted into the column, guys. So remember that char data type allows you to store and process a fixed length string. The range of M is 0 to 255. That means the value of M can be between 0 and 255, guys. Next we have VARCHAR. VARCHAR indicates variable length string. It stores only the characters that you insert. VARCHAR allows us to store and process a variable length string. It stores only the characters that you insert. Hence, VARCHAR is more efficient than char data type, guys. The range of M is 0 to 255. If you carefully observe, the difference between char and VARCHAR is, here the length is optional. If you do not mention the length, by default length will be 1. Whereas here the length is mandatory, guys. Wherever you see opening square bracket and closing square bracket, that means that part is optional, guys. A column defined with char data type can have maximum 255 characters, guys. A column defined with char or VARCHAR data types can have a string containing maximum 255 characters. If you want to store a string containing more than 255 characters inside a column, then you should take help of other data types. We have text data type and BLOB data type. Text indicates a string of characters, that is alphanumeric characters, guys, where M indicates maximum number of characters a column can hold. The range of M is 0 to 65,535. BLOB means binary large object. BLOB indicates string of bits, where M indicates maximum number of bits a column can hold, guys. The range of M is 0 to 65,535. That means a column of type text can have maximum 65,535 characters, and a column of type blob can have maximum number of bits is 65,535, guys. Blob data type we use to store and process text files, images, videos, etc., etc., guys. Next we have medium text and medium blob. Medium text indicates string of characters. Medium blob indicates string of bits. The range of M is 0 to 1 crore 67 lakh 77,215. That means a column of type medium text can store maximum 1,67,77,215 characters, guys. A column of type medium blob can store maximum 1,67,77,215 bits, guys. Next we have long text and long blob. Long text indicates a string of characters. Long blob indicates a string of bits. The range of M is 0 to 429 crore 49 lakh 67,295. That means a column of type long text can store maximum 429 crore 49 lakh 67,295 characters. A column of type long blob can store maximum 429 crore 49 lakh 67,295 bits, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood string types. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. While defining a column in a table, you must be able to decide which data type is efficient to use, guys. In the next video tutorial, we are going to discuss numeric types. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.